A quick question, guys. Are NFTs still a thing in the crypto world? Well, let's check out Seismic. So they are giving out free NFTs, and let's see how you can go about to claim one. So I'll be leaving for you a link in the pinned comment of the video and it's on the Telegram page. And when you click on it, you find yourself here. NFT ARC Genesis Collection. So here on the very first page, you have to enter your Twitter username. We verify your social task against this handle. So here, so that's my Twitter username. I'll click on continue. So the next one is let's cause some trouble. So you have to follow them. So you click on go here. Right, so after following on X, like and quote the pinned post with a bullish caption containing seismic. Then you tag two friends on the pinned post. That means you've completed this task and you click on all done. So the next one, you have to drop your wallet, right? An EVM wallet, talking about wallets that start with 0x wallets that you find from decentralized exchanges, wallets from networks such as BNB BP20, right? Ethereum ERC20. They are EVM compatible wallets. So I'm on my wallet, and any one of this is cool, right? To give you the same address, as you can see, this is it. So I'm gonna copy this. So I bring it over or paste it here, and then I click on submit entry. Alright, so entry recorded, right? My status active, leaderboard is coming soon. My referral link is here. So you will find this in the description box, in the pinned comment, so you can also jump on it and try your luck. No guarantees here. It's just an airdrop opportunity that I stumbled across and I've decided to share. So if you feel the need to go for it, you can rightly do so. If not, you can abstain. So thanks and do have a wonderful day.